Guys, welcome back. So it's been a while since I just did like a simple unboxing and swatching video, so that's what I'm going to do today. I've been doing a lot of tutorials and stuff like that, so I wanted to switch things up and do simple unboxing and swatching of just one company. So this company you guys have probably already known. They're called Glam Co, previously known as Vividip. They recently released their Beach Please collection, which is why I put like my little paper back here, trying to be cute, you know, kind of beachy, nautical, whatnot. Yes, so they recently released their Beach Please collection, which is absolutely stunning, and it blew my mind. So I want to unbox that on camera, show you guys, tell you my thoughts, and while it is sold out, she will be releasing these colors individually in June. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video up for you guys in case you wanted to shop. So she always includes a cute little card. I really like that she redid her branding and everything. It's just super glamorous, the change of the name. So it's really, really cute. I love that. So it also, the whole collection, I didn't buy anything else, I don't think. I think I just only bought the collection, I think. So it was a lot of dips, as you can tell. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7 dips. So that's actually a decent amount of dips for a themed collection. And this collection retailed for $45, I believe. It doesn't say on here, but I think it was $45. Anyways, so it comes with, ooh, that's really pretty. This one is called Babe Watch Hot Tropic. Oh, that's a gorgeous pink. Nautical, so Nautical, literally just Nautical. Beach Please, because of course you have to name one of the dips in your collection the actual collection name. Chill, yeah. Nudie Beach. I love that. And Somewhere Sunny. Alright, so these are super duper cute. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, swatch all these, and then show you guys all the powders so you can see how gorgeous they are. And yeah, be back. Nudie Beach is a nude with pink undertones, and depending on your skin tone and the background that you're taking your photos against, the nude will look, for example here you can't see the pink undertones, but under a different background it does look pink. Nautical is absolutely stunning. I love any type of like deep teals, and this one really hits the mark on like that deep oceany teal for me. You can't have a beach collection in the summer without a coral or a neon, or in this case, both. So Hot Tropic is a solid coral neon, and it's very, very vibrant, and it pairs well with one of the glitters in this collection. Babe Watch is also another solid. It is a neon orange, and it has orange-red tones to it, so it's definitely not on the coral spectrum, but more on the orange-red spectrum. If you are looking for a glitter to go with the last two solids, Hot Tropic and Babe Watch, then Beach Please is your girl. It has pink, orange, and coral tones to it. It's chunky, but not on the super chunky spectrum, so that's good. Shell Yeah, it offers something completely different to this collection. It has a different shardy-like glitter to it, so just imagine shells. It's a peachy nude with orange, yellow, and pink color shifts. And for the last color and glitter of this collection, Somewhere Sunny is a blue chunky glitter, and you can tell it has like golden orange glitters in there, so it really just offers something completely different to this collection. So I've included photos here of the glitters, and then the solids all together are here so you can see the glitters and the solids separately, but I also took a picture of the solids and the glitters paired next to each other so you can see the colors that I think complement each other well and match very well. But again, it is your nails. You can do whatever you want to your nails, have complete creative freedom. And then here are all the colors swatched against a gray background, so you can kind of see they're more true to life here. So here you can see how pinky nude Nudie Beach is, and I do feel like all of these swatches here that you're seeing are more true to life than what you saw earlier against a darker background. So you can really just see how corally and neon and vibrant these shades are. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get notified of more videos to come.